Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the spark module in your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Pull the range away from the wall so you can access the rear of the appliance. Use a Phillips head screwdriver or a 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread all of the screws, securing the lower rear access panel. Lift the panel up and out to remove. Note the location of the wires connected to the spark module, then disconnect them. Unthread the 2 mounting screws to release the old module. Install the new spark module by aligning it on the rear panel and securing it with the screws. Connect the wires to the terminals. Reposition the rear access panel. Thread and tighten the screws to secure. Plug the power cord back in, or restore the power supply, and the gas range should be ready for use.